Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of prep class. I am your English teacher and my name is Miss Sara Ifan. Okay, my dear students, we are reading the book and today you have to read the page number 3. So open your books to page number 3, everyone. Now look at the caption of page number 3. What is the caption? The caption says revision. What is this? Revision. 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 Revision means to revise something. यानी जो चीज़ आप ऑलरेडी लर्न कर चुके हो उसको हम अब रिपीट करेंगे. ओके हमने उसको दोबारा से रिवाइज करना है, याद करना है, मेमोराइज करना है. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके अब इस पेज में हम क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है हमारा, इस पेज में भी हमारा आर्टिकल्स का ही यूज़ है. आर्टिकल ए एंड आर्टिकल एन. अब आप सब स्टूडेंट्स को पता है कि हम ए एंड एन जो आर्टिकल्स हैं इनको हम सिंगुलर नाउन के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, यानी एक चीज़ के नेम के बिफोर यूज़ करते हैं. पता है ना आप सबको? यस. ओके नाउ हैव अ लुक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल गोइंग टू यूज़ द आर्टिकल ए विद सम वर्ड्स. ओके हमने आर्टिकल ए यूज़ करना है स्टार्ट में. नाउ लुक हेयर. व्हाट इज दिस? अ BOX box. A box. Now a box mean एक box. Look at the picture. ये one box है ना? Yes. A box, एक box. Now box is starting with B. B is a consonant letter. That's why we have used a before it. हमने इसके before क्या use किया है? A box. Now moving to our next word. Look here. A MANGO mango. A mango. यानी एक आम. Now mango is starting with M and M is a consonant letter. Now what we have used? We have used a before it. Yes. Now look at the next word. The next word is a WIN win DOW do window. Window means खिड़की. A window यानी एक खिड़की. Now look here my dear students. M and W are consonant letters. That's why we have used a before it. हमने इनके before a use किया है ना? Yes. Can you remember? आपको remember है or not? Okay. Now a window. Say with me. A window. A mango. A mango. A window. Now we will move to the next words. Now read the caption with me everyone. Read. Read. Now look here. A CAT cat. A cat. Cat आप सबको पता है it's an animal. बिल्ली. A cat एक बिल्ली. A cat. Repeat every word 5 times by heart everyone. Now moving to the next word. A MAN man. A man एक आदमी. A man. Now look at the next word. The next word is a DESK desk. डेस्क हम उर्दू में भी डेस्क के बोलते हैं. आपके स्कूल में डेस्क होते हैं ना? ये जिसके ऊपर आप अपनी बुक्स रख के कॉपीज रख के अपना वर्क करते हो. ये अ डेस्क मीन एक डेस्क. अ डेस्क. रिपीट अगेन. अ डेस्क. नाउ लुक हियर. अ JUG जग. अ जग. इट मीन्स वन जग. अ जग. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज अ FISH fish. अ fish means one fish. Ek fish. A fish. Now next word is a BOY boy. A boy. One boy. Ek ladka. A boy. Now look here my dear students. C, M, D, J, F and B. What are these? These all letters belong to consonant family. Yes. इसलिए हमने इनके before क्या use किया है? We have used the article A before them. ओके एंड आप सबको पता है कि आर्टिकल ए हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? फॉर सिंगुलर नाउन यानी वन थिंग के लिए हम आर्टिकल ए यूज़ करते हैं वर्ड्स के बिफोर. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ वी वर गोइंग टू रीड दीज वर्ड्स अगेन. अ कैट. अ मैन. अ डेस्क. अ जग. अ फिश. अ बॉय. नाउ आई हैव सम मोर वर्ड्स. नाउ रीड विद मी. अ WALL wall. A wall. Wall means दीवार. Wall means दीवार. A wall एक दीवार. Next word is a GIRL girl. A girl. One girl एक लड़की. A girl. Now next word is a BOOK book. A book means one book. एक किताब. Book means किताब. A book. Now next word is a TREE tree. A tree. One tree. एक दरख्त. Next word is a, woman, woman. A woman. Woman mean औरत. Woman mean औरत. A woman, एक औरत. A woman, एक औरत. Now next word is a, zoo. Zoo. Zoo means चिड़ियाघर. A zoo, एक चिड़ियाघर. Now we will going to repeat these words again. Say with me everyone. A wall, a girl, a book, a tree, a woman, a zoo. Okay, my dear students, we have used the article A before these words also because W, J, G, B, Z, W, T. What are these? These all letters are consonants. Okay, that's why we have used the article A before them. Now we will going to use the article an. Okay, now can anybody remember कि हम and किसके साथ use करते हैं? We use the an article with the vowel letters. Yes. And can anybody tell me what are the vowel letters? Vowel letters are, we have just 5 vowel letters now. Now count on your fingers everyone and say with me. A, E, I, O, U. Yes. Now if your word starts with these letters, you will going to write down A and an before them. Okay dear students. Now look here. A and an. A and an. Now अब आप सबको पता है कि हम an article भी कब यूज़ करते हैं. We use an article before the singular noun. यानी one singular noun के before, one name के before. Okay. Now look here. An, A-P-P-L-E, apple. An apple means one apple. एक सेब. An apple. Now look here. An, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. An orange. Say again. An orange. Now next word is an, E-L-E-L-E-P-H for A-N-T, an elephant. An elephant. Elephant means hathi. Orange mean malta. An orange, एक malta. An elephant, एक hathi. Okay. Now look here my dear students. O and E are vowel letters and we have used the article an before them. Okay. Now I have some more words. Have a look please. Now first of all read the caption. Read. Say aloud everyone. Read. Read means पढ़ो. Okay dear students. Now look at the first word. An. A-X-E. X. X means कुल्हाड़ी. An X. One कुल्हाड़ी. एक कुल्हाड़ी. Okay. An X. Say again. An X. Now next word is an. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. An arrow. Arrow means तीर. Arrow means तीर. An arrow. One arrow. Okay. An arrow. An arrow. Now the next word is an. E-L-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Elbow is your body part जिसको आप उर्दू में कोहनी बोलते हैं. Elbow is your part of arm. हाँ जी आपके arm का part है, बाजू का part है. Okay. An elbow. One कोहनी. One elbow. Okay. Now the next word is an. A-R-M. Arm. An arm. एक बाजू. Arm means बाजू. And arm. Arm is also your body part. An arm. Now next word is an. E-A-R. Ear. An ear. एक कान. Ear means कान. An ear. Say again. An ear. Now next word is an. A-N-T. Ant. Ant means चूंटी. An ant. An ant means one ant. Okay. एक चूंटी. Okay dear students. Now we will going to read these words again. Say with me everyone. An X. An arrow. An elbow. An arm. An ear. An ant. Now look here my dear students. The words are starting with A and E. And A, E are, what are these? A and E, these are vowel letters. That's why we have used the article an before them. Now moving forward, look here all of you. Now what is this word? An, E-G-G, egg. An egg. Egg means anda. An egg, one egg. Ek anda. An egg. Say again. An egg. Now next word is an. E-A-G-L, eagle. Eagle. An eagle. Eagle means चील, bird है. An eagle. An eagle. One eagle. Now next word is an. O-W-L, owl. Owl is also a bird. Animal है. An owl. Owl means उल्लू. Owl means ullu and owl, ek ullu and owl. Now next word is an, insect, sect, insect. Insect mean कीड़ा. An insect, an insect. Say again, an insect. Now next word is an, igloo, igloo, an igloo. Say again, an igloo. Again, an igloo. Now what is an igloo? Igloo is a snow house और ये आपके एंटार्क्टिका कॉन्टिनेंट में होता है, यानी जहाँ पे हर टाइम स्नो ही रहती है, बर्फ ही होती है. ओके, एन इग्लू. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज एन, UMBRELLA, अम्ब्रेला. एन अम्ब्रेला मीन्स वन अम्ब्रेला, एक छतरी. Okay dear students, now again we will going to repeat these words. Say with me everyone. An egg, an eagle, an owl, an insect, an igloo, an umbrella. Okay my dear students, now look at the first letter of these words, E, O, I and U. Now what are these? These three are vowel letters. That's why we have used the article an before them. हमने ऐसे ही किया ना? Yes. Now my dear students, I want you to repeat each and every word 5 times. Okay, and then you will going to learn the spellings also and do the written practice in your rough copies of these spellings. Okay dear students, that's all. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.